Hey, I'm here at the lovely Phoenix East 2, and this is the cutest unit that I have seen. It is a 1-bedroom with a bunk set. Usually there is a wall there, but this one is the bunk set is just parked on the side wall just as you go in the den. And it's directly across from the bathroom and directly across from the master or the primary bedroom. And you can see it is quite spacious. It has the large tile, which makes it nice to keep everything clean and neat. And it has the closet. And the TV is hung in the corner, nice and neatly. It is just a perfect weekend getaway or a perfect 1-bedroom for someone that either wants to rent or have a small second home for themselves. I don't think housekeeping has been here yet, so please envision that bed made. Anyhow, this is too cute. They have it decorated so pretty. Very beachy. Looks like that's a pull-out bed as well. So I'm guessing it sleeps at least 6. Then the kitchen is to the right, and it's all walled off. Of course, the view is absolutely fantastic. That view is to die for. Look at that beach. And I'm gonna pull back. I love this cozy dinette set. They've even got room for an extra chair that they can pull around and put where they want to. Look at how beautifully they did the kitchen with the marble, with the granite countertops, all white cabinetry, very large refrigerator, which is hard to find in a condo. Side by side, very large refrigerator, stainless steel and black appliances. It is really cute. The appliances, these 3 right here, are all by Samsung. And looking out the kitchen, look at that wonderful view. This is absolutely cute as it can be. And we're here at the end of Orange Beach where the jetties are. It's just a large, large, large white beach. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna open the door and slide out. It is just gorgeous. No one really can see in this large. You can actually get sun on this deck. There's a closet there. And then that lounge chair is set inside there. So a great place to get sun. And of course that's a wall there so no one can see. Now over here you can see other people, but you have to stretch to do it. Okay. All right, so the view below is of their wonderful pool. And then Phoenix East 1 is right next door. And this is the pool for the Phoenix East 2. And then look at this view. Those are the jetties over there. Look at that deep, 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 deep beach. We just do have the most beautiful beaches. I have many friends who have been to Hawaii and other places, and they come back and they say, our sugary white sands truly are the prettiest beaches. I'm gonna give you a tour of the condo coming in from the patio. You can see the pretty decorations. Just a cute condo. Space is well used. The space is well used. 1-1s do very well on rental programs. So this is very cutely decorated. Okay, give me a call. Talk to you later.